जयवंत ठाकरे जो है मेरे बहुत ही क्लोज फ्रेंड है, फैमिली फ्रेंड है। उनके साथ मैं अपना करियर मैंने स्टार्ट किया इनफैक्ट टार्ज़न के लिए, एंड दैट वाज वन ऑफ दोज, आई मीन आई स्टार्टेड शूटिंग फॉर सोचा ना था, बट टार्ज़न वाज वन ऑफ माय लाइक वेरी कमर्शियल फिल्म्स एंड आई डिडंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट मूवीज़। और जयवंत तभी वाज लाइक एन ओल्डर ब्रदर, इतना कुछ मुझे समझाया हाउ द इंडस्ट्री वर्क्स एंड थिंग्स। सो एंड ही वाज देयर इवन आफ्टर मच many years later. He did makeup for my wedding, so he's been like there at all the important things in my life. So when he asks me to come somewhere and see something, I know it has to be something good and something special. So I'm really excited to be here. और बहुत ही खूबसूरत बनाया है Stars Cosmetics, और the range is so beautiful, the people are so lovely, and I'm really excited to be here.
अच्छा, अगर स्टाइल की और फैशन की अगर बात करें तो आपकी नज़र में फैशन की डेफिनेशन क्या है?
Fashion is about your mood, I think. मेरे लिए तो ऐसा ही है कि the day I wake up in whatever mood I wake up in, that's how I dress that day. So fashion is about how you feel. It's an expression. It's just about your mood basically. So it changes for me with every day.
Aisha, so it's a hot summer is going.
Yes.
So how do you keep yourself fresh?
It's so hot. I think I have lot of, we work out especially, all of us, and then meditating. For me, having things that are cooling for the body, lots of salads and iced lattes, which are my thing lately. Decaf, but yeah, I'm vegan, so I have that with soy milk. And, just having lots of water, keeping yourself hydrated. Yeah.
ओके आयशा, जिस तरीके से आजकल सेलिब्रिटीज़ को जो ट्रॉल्स किया जाता है, फेसबुक हो गया, इंटरनेट हो गया, ट्विटर हो गया, जो आजकल जो सोशल मीडिया जो चल रही है, हाल ही में जैसे कि प्रियंका चोपड़ा को भी ट्रॉल किया गया, उनके ड्रेस को लेकर, तो आपकी क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस पर, क्या रिएक्शन होगा आपके?
I think I don't react anymore to that because I feel like it's the internet, and it's a place where the whole world can give their opinion. I mean, कोई भी इंसान घर पे बैठ के अपना opinion दे सकता है, and you have to just get over it. When you're in the public eye or you're someone that people look at, आपके बारे में लोग बात करेंगे, and you just have to get over it. It's sad that people like to speak badly about someone they barely know, but ऐसा है अभी दुनिया में, so you just have to get over it.
So you don't think so that your Bollywood celebrities should take some action or something?
I don't think you can really. It's not something you can do anything about, I mean, if there is a space like social media where, as I said, पूरी दुनिया अपना opinion कहीं से भी दे सकती है, there's not really much you can do about that except, I think focus on the good. That's what I do. There are such amazing people और इतने अच्छे followers है या fans है या well wishers है जो आपको इतनी अच्छी compliments देते हैं और encouragement और inspiration. I think focus on that. मेरे लिए that is the most important. I focus on the positive and the people who are really wonderful out there, and there's so much to learn. So you just ignore the negativity. I think in life it's the same. You come across people who you might not gel with, so you just ignore them and you focus on the nice ones.
So lastly, I just want to know when we can see you on screen.
Soon maybe, but my son is now 3.5, so I have time to do things with my life, and I'm shooting for a movie called Borivali Ka Bruce Lee, and it's a very cute movie that also has a child in it, so I know Mikhail will enjoy watching it. And I have a music video coming out soon, but I'm keeping it slow with the work because I have other things, like I'm planning a fashion line which I'm really working on, very excited about, and a vegan restaurant as well, so I'm busy with all those things, but yeah, soon hopefully.
क्या लेकर जाने वाले हैं जब इधर से?
I don't know. I'm a makeup junkie. मुझे question पूछो ही मत, क्योंकि that's my favorite thing to shop for, favorite thing to buy. Like if I go anywhere in the world, that's the first thing I go for is the makeup and the cosmetics. I really enjoy that, and I think I like maybe lipstick is my favorite thing.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.